Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Merrick Bank credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate Merrick Bank credit card online, you'll need to first open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.merrickbank.com/activate and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in this page where you can easily activate your credit card. On the back of your new credit card, you'll be able to see 16-digit card number. Enter it right here in the first text box. And once you do that, head over to the next field where it says last four of your social security number. Type in your last four digits of your social security number and type in your date of birth on the next field. Soon after you do that, click on Activate Your Card option. Once your information is correct, you'll be able to activate your Merrick Bank credit card online. That's how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.